10th chapter, Properties of Triangles. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, Part 3. Last part completed. Some important 2 marks problems, 4 marks problems also be completed. In this chapter coming to the only 1 4 marks, 1 7 marks, no 2 marks. That is nothing but 2 marks you can write 1 4 marks question. What is the first one? Show that b cos square c by 2 plus c cos square b by 2 equal to s. Cos b by 2 cos c by 2 formula is the half of the angle model formula. That's why first we have to take LHS part. What is the LHS part? B cos square c by 2 plus c cos square b by 2. In this LHS part, what is the value of cos b by 2? Cos b by 2 equal to square root of s into s minus b by ac. Similarly, what is the value of cos c by 2 formula? Cos c by 2 equal to square root of s into s minus c by ab. This is the formula. You can use these 2 formulas in this problem. B into cos c by 2 nothing but square root of s into s minus c by ab whole square. Cos square nothing but cos c by 2 whole square. Here also be c into square root of s into s minus b by ac whole square. Square root cancel, square root cancel. Remaining constants. B into s into s minus c by ab plus c into s into s minus b by ac. Here b get cancelled, c get cancelled. S into s minus c by a plus s into s minus b by a. In these 2 terms, LCM numerator s common, denominator a common, s by a common. Remaining what here? S minus c plus s minus b. After that, s by a, s plus s 2s minus b minus c. What is the value of 2s students? 2s nothing but the perimeter of the triangle. 2s equal to a plus b plus c. That's why I can write 2s equal to a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c minus b minus c minus b plus b minus c plus c get cancelled. Remaining s by a into a get cancelled. You get s plus c. That is the RHS part. Correct or not? Check. RHS part is what here? Yes. Next problem. If a by cos a is equal to b by cos b is equal to c by cos c, then show that triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. What is the meaning of equilateral? Equilateral triangle nothing but the angles of 3 is equal to 60 degrees. If any triangle angles are equal or sides are equal, that is called equilateral triangle. First of all, what is the given that? Given that a by cos a is equal to b by cos b is equal to c by cos c. By the sine rule, which rule? Sine rule. A is equal to what? A is equal to 2r sin a, b is equal to 2r sin b, and c is equal to 2r sin c. This is the sine rule. In this sine rule, you can write a value is 2r sin a by cos a is equal to b value what here? 2r sin b by cos b. C is equal to 2r sin c by cos c. 2r get cancelled. Sin a by cos a you can write tan a. Sin b by cos b you can write tan b. Sin c by cos c you can write tan c. Tan get cancelled. If a is equal to b is equal to c. What is the meaning of a equal to b equal to c? If all angles of a triangle is equal, that triangle is called. Therefore, if a equal to b equal to c, then triangle ABC is on equilateral triangle. Which triangle? Equilateral triangle. This is also be very important 4 marks problem, repetition problem in IB examination. Next problem is, if the angles are in the ratio 1:5:6, then find the ratio of its sides. Here angle ratio is given, you can find the sides ratio. Here let A comma B comma C are angles in a triangle. Angles in a triangle. Similarly, small a comma B comma C are sides in a triangle. Sides in a triangle ABC. Here triangle ABC, this is also a triangle ABC. Here ratio is given. Given that ratio of these angles A is to B is to C equal to 1 is to 5 is to 6 is given. After that, this can be as A by 1 is equal to B by 5 equal to C by 6 equal to some constant K. Here K is a real number. After that, these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal. You get what? A by 1 is equal to K, B by 5 equal to K, C by 6 equal to K. Then A is equal to K into 1K, B is equal to 5 into K, 5K, C is equal to 6 into K, 6K. What is the sum of the angles in a triangle equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. Sum of the angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle A nothing but K, angle B 5K, angle C 6K is equal to 180 degrees. Here 5K plus 6K 11K, 11K plus 1K 12K. 12K equal to 180 degrees. 12 ones are 12, remaining 16, 12 fives are K value is 15 degrees. Here K value is 15, not 15 degrees. Then you can find A. A is equal to K. K value is 15 degrees. B is equal to 5K. 5 into 15 degrees, nothing but you can write 5 into 15, you can write equal to 75 degrees. So answer here 15 degrees only. Here 15 degrees only. C value is what here? 6K. 6K into 15 degrees, you can write 90 degrees. Here A value 50 degrees, B value 75 degrees, C value 90 degrees. After that, ratio of these sides. Ratio of these sides is A is to B is to C. You can write by the sine rule. A is equal, what is the formula? A is equal to 2r sin A. A is equal to 2r sin A. B is equal to 2r sin B. C is equal to 2r sin C. 2r get cancelled. Remaining what here? Sin A is to sin B is to sin C. This is the value of A is to B is to C. That is the ratio of the sides. What is the value of A? Sin 15 degrees A value. Sin B value is 75 degrees. Sin C value is 90 degrees. Sin 15 how much? Sin 15 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, sin 75 nothing but cos 15. Sin 75 nothing but cos 15. That value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 90 value is 1. That will be as 1 by 1. After the total multiplied with the 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 2 by 2 root 2. Root 3 here minus 1 plus 1 into 2 root 2 by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Understood? 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2 get cancelled. You get what students? Root 3 minus 1 is to root 3 plus 1 is to 2 root 2. This is the ratios of the sides of the triangle is root 3 minus 1 is to root 3 plus 1 is to 2 root 2. This is also a very very important 4 marks problem. Today assignment problems are homework problem. First one is if tan A by 2 equal to 5 by 6 and tan C by D equal to 2 by 5, determine the relation between A comma B comma C. This is very very important repeated problem. 4 marks. Tan A by 2 into tan C by 2 what? Tan A by 2 into tan C by 2 equal to 5 by 6 into 2 by 5. Then 5 by 5 cancel 2 1 the 2 3s are. Tan A by 2 formula is there. What is the formula? Square root of S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A into square root of tan C by 2 formula what? S minus A into S minus B by S into S minus C is equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, here square root, here S minus C, S minus C, S minus A, S minus A cancel. Here s minus b, here s minus b is there. You can write square root of s minus b whole square, nothing but s minus b whole by s into s. You get s by 1 by 3. Cross multiply. 3s minus 3b equal to s. Then 2s is equal to 3b. Then a plus b plus c is equal to 3b. Then 2b equal to a plus c. 2b equal to a plus c. What is the relation between the, what is the condition? Here a comma b comma c are in AP. What is the condition? What is that condition? 2b equal to a plus c. Here 2b equal to a plus c is there. A comma b comma c are in AP. This is the relation between the ABC or in arithmetic operations. First one. Second one we have to take LHS part. Just multiply AB cos c minus AC cos cos. Here see students, here AB cos c is there. 2AB cos c formula is there. What is that formula? A square plus B square minus C square by 2. AB cos c by 2. 2AB cos c just A square plus B square minus C square by the cosine rule. Here this is AC cos c nothing but A square plus C square minus B square whole by 2. You have to take LCM, that is 2. Here A square plus B square minus C square. A square plus B square minus C square minus A square minus C square plus B square. Here B square, here C square or not. A square get cancelled. You get what friends? B square plus B square 2B square C square C square 2B square minus 2C square by A 2 will get cancelled. You get B square minus C square. This is a hint of the second problem. After that, this C square is not cancelling. Next, here also we have to take LHS part. B square minus C square by A square by using sine rule. B is equal to 2r sine B whole square. C is equal to 2r sine C whole square whole by A equal to 2r sine A whole square. Here you can write 2r whole square 4r square. Here 2r whole square 4r square. Here 2r whole square 4 square. Total cancel. Remaining what? Sine square B minus sine square C. Sine square B minus sine square C by sine square A. Here sine square B minus sine square C, you can write what is the formula? Sine of B plus C into sine of B plus C into sine of B minus C whole by, here sine square A is there. Sine square A you can write sine A into sine A. Sine of B plus C nothing but A plus B plus C equal to how many degrees? 180. Then B plus C equal to 180 minus A. 180 minus A nothing but sine A. Sine of B plus C, 1 sine A get cancelled. This A you can written as sine of B plus C. This is the shortcut explained. This problem totally depended trigonometry up to transformation, especially transformation topic. If A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, then A plus B equal to 180 minus A. That topic is very useful in this problem. Next problem, if tan of C minus A by 2 equal to K into cot B by 2. Suppose we have to take tan of LHS for tan of C minus A by 2. By the tangent rule, tan of C minus A by 2 formula what students? C minus A by C plus A into cot B by 2. What is that RHS one? K into cot B by 2. Here this LHS and RHS combine, cot B by 2 is there. In place of K is what is? In place of K, C minus A by C plus A. This is also be unexpected 4 marks problem. Okay.